Presenting Aubrey with her crown and bouquet are Student Council members Stephen Reed and Matthew Barkley, along with Clayton and Addison Russell, children of Mr. Jamie and Amanda Russell.
One of the three young ladies chosen to represent the senior class is Miss Skylar K. Gregory. Skylar is the daughter of Dennis and Christy Gregory. Skylar is an active member of the Belden Baptist Church. She enjoys working out, shopping, and spending time with her friends. Skylar has been a member of the MHS varsity softball team for the past 5 years. She is a member of the Lady Trooper basketball team. She played for the Mooreville Lady Trooper soccer team her sophomore and junior year. Skylar is an active member of the Anchor Club and the Art Club. Skylar has been chosen to represent her class on the homecoming court her 10th, 11th, and 12th grade year. She was also a junior class favorite. Skylar has been on the A&B honor roll. She received perfect attendance for her 10th and 11th grade years. Skylar plans to further her education at ICC after graduation. She also plans to complete her degree in criminal justice at the University of Mississippi. Skylar is being escorted by classmate Luke Frank. Luke is the son of Jeff and Tina Frank. She is being met on the field by her father, Dennis Gregory. Presenting Skylar with her bouquet is Hannah Trent and Olivia Sanderson.
Miss Caitlin Elizabeth Keith was also selected to represent the senior class. She is the daughter of Wade and Lynn Keith. She is the granddaughter of Phil and Mary Griffin and Grady and Joseph Keith. Caitlin is a member of Auburn Baptist Church and she is very involved in youth activities. She also serves on the youth council. Caitlin's hobbies include playing sports, hanging out with family and friends, and participating in church activities. Caitlin has been a member of the high school slow pitch and fast pitch softball team since the 7th grade. She has also been a member of the high school basketball team since the 8th grade. She is student council representative from 6th grade until 11th grade. She's a member of the Beta Club, Anchor Club, Junior Civic Team, and Fellowship with Christian Athletes. Caitlin was selected to play in the Mississippi High School Slow Pitch Softball All-Star Game this year representing the North. Caitlin has been on the All-A honor roll throughout her whole high school career. Her future educational plans include attending Etowah Community College for 2 years, then transfer to Mississippi State to major in exercise science, then continue to get her master's in occupational therapy. Caitlin is being escorted tonight by fellow classmate Kelton Kingsley, who is the son of Terry and Sherry Kingsley. She is being met on the field tonight by her father, Wade Keith. Presenting Caitlin with her bouquet is classmate Devin Bartlett and City Council member Alyssa Stanton.
The last young lady chosen to represent the senior class is Miss Courtney Moscato. Courtney is the daughter of James and Tracy Moscato and the niece of Ken and Stanley Kelly and the granddaughter of Chris and Bill West. She is a member of the First United Methodist Church in Tupelo, where she is on the youth council and a member of the youth choir. Courtney enjoys horseback riding, coaching a Little League soccer team, spending time with family and friends, and going on church trips. She is a member of the Anchor Club and the soccer and track team. Courtney was voted president of her student council at Lakeland High School her sophomore year. She has been an honor roll student, and in December of 2011, Courtney was crowned Miss Winter Wonderland. Courtney plans on attending ITC in the fall and later transferring to the Culinary Art Institute of Chicago. Escorting her tonight is one of her classmates, Tanner Newman, son of Brian and Jody Newman and Jeff and Laura Heicher. She is being met on the field by her uncle, Stanley Kelly. Presenting Courtney with her bouquet is student council members Stephen Reed and Madison Sanders.
The name of the homecoming queen has been withheld until this moment. Crowning our 2012 MHS homecoming queen tonight is Mr. Lee Bruce, along with Ethan and Lily Bruce, children of Mr. Bruce and his wife Belinda. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this year's homecoming queen, Caitlin Elizabeth Keith.
Go, Caitlin! Caitlin here.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the 2012 Mooreville High School Homecoming Court.